Welcome back for another video. All right, I'm taking you back on a trip on Mary Lane to Secrets Maroma Beach in Cancun. This is our room. We have a partial ocean view. You can see just a little bit of ocean back there. Partial ocean view. Got the little seating area. And then here you got a little step up there you gotta watch. You see it lights up when you get close. We got drinks and stuff in there, fully restocked. Full mirror. And then bathroom, toilet, shower. And we're gonna walk the property we just got here for my birthday. What's this place? Secrets Maroma. We're in Secrets Maroma. Go ahead, Eric. In Cancun, Mexico. Oh, it's so pretty. You guys, this was such an awesome trip. I highly recommend. We spent one full day in a cabana by the beach. We spent a second day by the pool and hot tub. They have awesome restaurants. Our favorite was the Japanese hibachi restaurant, Himitsu. We went twice during our trip. We also spent a little time in Portofino, which is an Italian restaurant, but we did not enjoy that as much. The resort is beautiful. It's all inclusive. If you've been thinking of going, you should definitely go. We went in December of 2024 for my birthday. Those are the swim out rooms. We're leaving. We're getting ready to check out. Beautiful resort. It's hot out here. I should take the sweater off. I feel like it's hotter than when we came initially. You see they got the little lazy river. You can't actually swim in that, but they got a little lazy river right there. They're decorated for Christmas. We're leaving. Again, we're at Secrets Maroma Beach in Cancun. And we have had an amazing time. And now we're getting ready to go to the front so that we can check out. We did a spa today, and then we came back to our room to pack up, shower, and check out. We're getting ready to head to the airport. We've had a phenomenal time. Yesterday we rented a cabana. We stayed on the beach all day. The day before that, we lounged by the hot tub all day. We ate at the Japanese restaurant Himitsu twice while we were here. And we ate at Portofino, the Italian restaurant, once. Don't recommend. Don't do it next time, Sharnish. Do the Mexican and do the hibachi.